Today we are going to be going over how to make your DIY steel targets. So this is another target I made. It is a dueling tree. It's got paddles, plates like that go on it. They go in all these little holes down there, and then shoot it at this direction, and then they'll flop back and forth. I'm not really going to go over too much of that today. Maybe I'll make another video if y'all want me to on how to make that. Got another one right here. But today we're going to be going over just some general steel targets. So for this, I have these two AR500 steel targets. This one from the Sportsman's Warehouse. That was from Midway. And then I have this. This is a 1/4 inch thick, 2 inches by 2 inches by 10-foot piece of angle iron. Now this stuff is dang expensive these days. It used to be like half the price for this, like even just a year and a half ago. But anyway, it's kind of spendy. But essentially the plan is that this will face just like it's showing, like if the shooter is this way. So if you're looking at it from the front like this, these targets will hang down with some chain, and then you'll be able to shoot at them. But I want to make a nice stand so it stands up and so it isn't too pain in the butt to carry. And then here's the chain that I got for it. So we're gonna go over that and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so what I've done so far is I've measured out where I'm gonna mount everything. So I'm gonna drill a hole here, 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 there, and there for chains that come down to 3 different plates. And then I allow for 6 inches on the side and then about 2 inches in between each section, and then it's 6 inches over there. I'll put details to all of everything that I've done in the description below. And if anybody else has any tips for maybe next time I do this, go ahead and put those in the comments below too. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that, drill those out, get the chains cut, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so what I've got done now is I have all of these plasma cut out into a square so that we can just fit these carriage bolts. It's still a little warm, but not too bad. And now I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do to weld the legs on. And then I'll cut the chains, bolt on the things, and be good to go. Hey guys, so this is what it looks like now. It's been a lot of work. I'll go and show around once I get the targets in. But essentially, these legs come out, those legs fold in, and it is pretty sturdy. I can get on it. I weigh like 180 pounds. So let me throw the targets on it, and then I'll show you around what I did. And don't judge my welds, because some of them ain't pretty. Just one thing before you think about going and doing one of these, they are a ton of freaking work, and with the price of steel these days, they're also very expensive. So when you see them and they're really expensive, it's the steel that's costing you. I'm not getting into politics, but you know, we could talk about that. Anyway, so I got this leg that, and you notice it goes in here. I didn't have a nice square tube that fit perfectly, so I was just working with what I had, and so I welded nice and ugly right there, and then another one on the other side so that it doesn't wobble. And so there's that. These are just carriage bolts up there. Same with down there. Same with this guy. So you hit those and they'll just rock, which also helps out. These are both AR500 steel. Like I said, I got this one from Midway and this one from the Sportsman's Warehouse. And I've shot this both with 6.5 Creedmoor and 223, and it looks great. Okay, same thing on this side. Okay, now if we go to the back, now this is where things look a little ghetto, but hey, it's functional. So I took, this is like a gate hinge, and that allows it to fold down. And this side, you'll notice that it's a little bit thicker than on that side. So that leg folds underneath this one, and then it allows the whole thing to be packed up. So, and then you have all the bolts on the other side here, and they'll just fold on top of them. And of course the back of the targets. So that is pretty much it. The whole thing folds up. Like I said, there's only 2 targets on here now, but there will be a third once I get around to getting one. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any comments or questions, please put them in the comment section below, and I'll answer them and read through them all. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. See ya.